Are you seeing number 1001 everywhere? It's not a coincidence. There's a divine message waiting for you. In the realm of numerology, the 1001 angel number carries a unique significance that's worth exploring. So, let's dive into the magical world of angel numbers and uncover the insights they hold for your love, life, health, wealth, relationships, and overall happiness. In matters of love, the 1001 angel number suggests that a profound transformation is taking place within your romantic life. Angels are guiding you to release any lingering negativity and embrace a more optimistic and open-hearted approach. Be receptive to new love and let go of past hurts. Your guardian angels are orchestrating a beautiful symphony of love for you. In life, the presence of 1001 signals that you are on the right path. Your efforts are aligning with your life's purpose, and divine blessings are on the horizon. Trust in the journey, stay positive, and keep nurturing your spiritual growth. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and you are being supported by the divine forces. For your health, the 1001 angel number urges you to prioritize self-care. Listen to your body's signals and make choices that support your well-being. Whether it's adopting a healthier diet or incorporating more movement into your routine, your angels are encouraging you to take proactive steps toward a healthier and happier you. When it comes to wealth, the 1001 angel number signifies financial abundance flowing into your life. Your positive thoughts and actions are aligning with the universe's prosperity energy. Keep your mindset focused on abundance, and be open to receiving unexpected blessings. Your angels are working behind the scenes to manifest financial opportunities for you. In relationships, whether it's with family, friends, or colleagues, the 1001 angel number reminds you to nurture your connections. Be open to communication, express your feelings, and create harmonious relationships. Your angels are guiding you to surround yourself with positivity and love, fostering a supportive and uplifting social circle. Overall, the appearance of 1001 is a sign of divine guidance and protection. Your angels are assuring you that you are not alone on your journey, and they are here to support and guide you every step of the way. Embrace the positive changes unfolding in your life with gratitude and trust. Discover your personal angel number right now. Take the free test at angelnumbertest.com. Your angels have a unique message crafted just for you, and unlocking the mysteries of your angel number can lead to profound insights and guidance on your spiritual journey. Embrace the wisdom that the divine realm is offering, and let the magic of angel numbers light up your path to joy and fulfillment. Click the link in the description and comment section below now to discover your angel numbers and their meanings.